What up? What's good, y'all? Beezy. Back at it again. It's another day. Another beautiful day that I am helping to create with the power of my mind. It's a little chilly out here. I feel a little cold, a little tired, but that's okay. How y'all doing? Let me know. I would just like to share my goals with y'all real quick. Get them off my chest. They help me become my best version. I'm really out here learning that I need to serve it. I ain't never searching, because I found it. I am the one I've been searching for. You know, I found myself. But yeah, these goals, man, I'd like to share them real quick. If you wouldn't mind listening. We got a couple ladybugs listening. We got beautiful skies, beautiful blue skies. The sun is shining. It's not so bad once you take a step back and look at everything, you know? But yeah, I got a personal goal for the day. A personal goal for the day. A personal goal for the day, man. Look here. It's to balance your energies. Balance your energies. Balance your energies. As human beings, we act as batteries. We have positive and negative energies that help us power what we're doing and what we're thinking about, what we're feeling. Those positive and negative energies need to be balanced for the true power to be unlocked, to be felt, to be attained and used, you know? You have to learn to unite the masculine and feminine energies in your body, the positive and negative. You have to learn how to unite them, make them act harmoniously, make them one. Because that is when you will unlock your true power and you will see the wonders of the dualities. Because everything has polarities in life. Everything is dual. There is nothing that is just masculine, nothing that is just feminine, no body that is just masculine, no body that is just feminine. We have aspects of both. And once you learn how to balance them, you can really unlock whatever it is that you want. Whatever it is that you desire, you can accomplish anything. Yeah, man. Balance your energies. That's my personal goal. Next up, I got a business goal for the day. A business goal for the day. A business goal for the day. You know what I'm saying? It's to get your ass into nature. Get into nature. Get your ass into nature, man. Woman. You know? Reconnect with Mother Nature, man. Reconnect with Gaia. Balance out your every system in your body through reconnecting with Mother Nature. Take off your shoes, take off your socks. Walk around barefoot, because when we connect our bodies, our bare skin to the soul, to the surface of Mother Nature, it brings us back into stability. It aligns us with homeostasis, because everything that we experience, all the toxins that we ingest throughout the day, all the negative energy, it brings us out of balance. It releases a lot of positive ions in our body, and the earth is naturally charged with negatively charged ions. It has free electrons for the taking. You see, we are batteries, like I was saying, and we need to be recharged. The earth is like a wireless charging port. Think of it as like you're an iPhone, right? And the earth is just a wireless charging port. You, by connecting with Mother Nature, by getting your bare skin, by laying in the grass, by walking around on a beach barefoot, you're reconnecting to the charging port. Get your ass into nature and experience the incredible benefits of Mother Nature, of Gaia, of planet Earth. Healing properties beyond belief. The earth really doesn't heal you. It just gets you back into balance. There's been studies of people who have incredible diseases, doctors say they were incurable. All these patients had to do was get reconnected with Earth, and it brought them back into balance. They were just at a increasingly high imbalance. It's all about balance, man. Get your ass into nature. Clear your mind. Breathe in that good ass prana, baby. Shout out to Ralph Smart, thank you. But look, man, I got a spiritual goal for the day. A spiritual goal for the day. A spiritual goal for the day. Listen up. It's to unplug from the matrix. Unplug from the matrix, man. Unplug from the matrix. This matrix that we live in, this 3D matrix, it's over. For the people who are stuck in the matrix, they're plugged in, I want to let you know, I want to tell you, unplug from the matrix. There's a shift happening. A worldwide great awakening. And everybody is seeing, a lot of people are seeing that what we once knew, it's not the actual way of living. It's not why we came here to live. Unplug from the matrix by freeing your mind. Get into nature. Take a really long look at your human rights, your freedoms, and really evaluate them. Because they're trying to take away our freedoms and our rights. In this matrix, it's backwards. They're living in reverse. They want to desensitize us. They want to make it to where there is nothing to be examined. They want to make it to where it's all singularity and everybody is the same. Variety is the spice of life. Your uniqueness is your superpower. And they're trying to take that away from you. They're trying to take that away from me. They're trying to take it away from all of us. And I ain't having it. So I'm unplugging from the matrix. I'm not letting these distractions, these celebrities, these, like even sports, man. It's all distractions. It's all just trying to keep you plugged into the matrix and keep you looking outside of yourself. What you need to do is go within. When your inner world becomes more important than the outer world, that is when you will unplug from the matrix. Free your mind, man. Free your soul. You can unplug from the matrix by meditating, understanding what it is to be you. Understand your your true higher self. Learn that oneness is the only truth on this planet. Separation is a lie. There is no such thing as separation. When you can understand, understand, and overstand all of this, that is when you will unplug from the matrix. This matrix is over, man. Just look at it. They're trying to force a vaccine on everybody to get us to take away our empathy, our humanity. They're trying to take away our humanity, man. And I ain't having it. I'm unplugged from the matrix every single day. I got my ass into nature. It really helps. I breathe how I please. No face mask required. You know what I'm saying? I'm really learning to balance my energies. Coming into nature helps because you see that everything is balanced. Everything is one. It's beautiful, man. You have a choice every single day. What you consume, what you put in your mind, how you could feel. You make a choice every single day. Fear is consuming the planet. That's how they're controlling most of the population, with fear. Fear is the lowest vibration. Love is the highest vibration. Live in love. There is nothing to fear. Face everything and rise. Yeah, man. Those are my goals for the day. I just wanted to share them with you. Hopefully they help you get going. They're definitely helping me get going. But yeah, man, other than that, it's been busy. Hope y'all keep it easy. Catch y'all up, man.